Hey there, VU students. If you're checking your latest results and feeling a bit anxious, don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here to help you navigate through this confusing time and make sure all your questions get answered. Whether it's about rechecking your results, the status of course VU01, or handling failed subjects, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the most common issues students are facing right now. First up, if you think there's been a mistake in your result, you can apply for rechecking. Make sure to check the deadline for rechecking requests to ensure your application is considered. Now, about course VU01, if your result is still not showing up, it could be due to a delay in processing. Contact the exam department as soon as possible to get an update. For those of you in your last semester who received subjects to improve, don't panic. It's common, and with a little extra effort, you can clear those subjects in the next attempt. Failed a subject? It happens, and it's not the end of the world. You can retake the exam or consider a supplementary exam if that's an option. Lastly, if your result status is pending, it might be due to administrative issues. Keep checking your student portal, or better yet, contact the admin office to get the latest update. Remember, every problem has a solution, and with a little patience and persistence, you'll get through this. Stay calm, stay focused, and don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. If this video helped clear up your queries, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guidance. You're not alone on this journey. Keep pushing forward and you'll reach your goals.